gas. She got dudes. She like fun. I do too. Oh, oh. And I like what I see. And I hope she want me. Then I told her I'm looking for someone that I know is not for everybody. You're looking for someone you don't wanna share with nobody. You doing things I like, the way you move your body. So do your thing, don't be shy, girl. Hey, it's okay. 'Cause right now, can't let nothing or no one mess with our vibe now. 'Cause what's going on is so strong. I've been looking.
These are the 2017 through 2018 New Flyer Xcelsior XN60s. The first XN60s of New York City Transit, along with being the first CNG articulated Xcelsiors. Fleet numbers ranges from 1000 to 1109. 1016 to 1020 are 2017 models. 1000 to 1015 along with 1021 to 1109 are 2018 models. Since 2018, these were originally delivered to Jackie Gleason Depot in Brooklyn and West Farms Depot in the Bronx. And moving into their powertrain, that all of these featured the transmission of the ZF Equalife 6AP 1700B transmission. However, 1016 to 1020 features the Cummins Westport ISLG Near Zero engine. Plus 1000 to 1015 and 1021 to 1109 features the Cummins Westport L9 Near Zero engine. On October 2017, 1016 was the pilot unit delivered in the transit fleet. Then on October 24th, it hit service on the Bx9. By January through March 2018, other 4 units, 1017 through 1020, were delivered but had not made the trip to West Farms as all 2017 models. Until March 2019, all 5 of these 2017 units have pulled into West Farms Depot. Back to the year 2018, on June 20th, the XN60s West Farms were receiving were in units 1000 to 1015 and 1072 as Select Bus Service units. Suddenly, those were running on the Bx12 Select Bus Service for a week until June 29th. That last day for the rush hour was the 10th anniversary of the Bx12 Select Bus Service. Until July 1st that year, they ran the Bx6 Select Bus Service and as the first day of converted Select Bus Service articulated route. A month later into August, Jackie Gleason Depot became the second to receive these newbies. We had 3 XN60s that pulled in as training units for the B35 to be converted into an articulated route by the fall pick. Until July 22nd, the demonstration of the B35 articulated service had officially begun. 1085 was the first XN60 to run the B35 that day. Until a week after and after my first day of sophomore school year in high school, I rode 1091 as my first XN60 unit starting from Kings Highway until offboarding on Utica Avenue. It was an amazing ride reminding me of my times being in multiple XZ60s in Manhattan since late 2017. Except for the Via Nova screens, as one of the first Xcelsiors to receive these along with the new XZ40s in their schemes through 2019. Pretty sure I rode some more as 1025, 1037, 1097, 1083, and few others. 1097 was the unit I had the best experience with after I got off the Q train from Coney Island and a 2018 breast cancer walk in October. It was a very long ride with this bus sitting at the very back on the engine compartment area with some warm heat because it was 47 degrees outside. By January 26th of 2019, I had another favorite unit which was 1073. I rode that with my mother from our appointment at Lenox Hill Medical Center on our way home. 1073 is the famous XN60 out of Jackie Gleason and out of all XN60s citywide. One main thing that made it famous that it used to have the 4-1 Gemini seats and it was the only unit to have these. And its powertrain sounds cleaner compared to the rest of the XN60s. Since then through today, and after the coronavirus lockdown, I first rode 1035 around late June and 1085 on the first day of August when I am on my way to Prospect Park and even once with my stepbrothers. By August 5th this year, the Bx99 along with the M99 after the B99 were implemented because of the subway shutdowns for cleaning. And 1001 and 1039 were one of the first XN60s to run that overnight route and out of West Farms Depot. And these buses are more efficient on that overnight route compared to the XN40s and the regular LFS Ace. Now moving on to the analytics of these buses. These XN60s are known as the 60-foot tanks of their CNG depots in both the Bronx and Brooklyn, and as the boss of their 40-foot counterparts, the XN40s. In the Bronx with the Select Bus Service units running the Bx12 Select Bus Service and the Bx6 Select Bus Service, they prove to be speedy and even on the highway parts of their routes, and their beastly horsepower can relate to their service speeds. In Brooklyn, I always ride these buses when Church Avenue isn't congested in varied hours, like early morning hours. Back to regards to the Select Bus Service, the B35 was proposed to be a Select Bus Service route by 2021. Therefore, 1072 would have been at Jackie Gleason Depot but had the wrap on for the Bx6 Select Bus Service out of West Farms. But most of the units at Jackie Gleason Depot had the local schemes wrapped over the Select Bus Service paints originally on their bodies since rolling out of the assembly plants. Anyways, these XN60s are one of my top 3 favorite Xcelsiors. I really love their schemes, their full CNG tank line, their powertrain, and in regards to that is their heavy-duty backfire flutterage. So as a result, these get a rate of 10.5 out of 10. This review is dedicated to one of my best friends, and it's Ralphie as RA Productions. And this review is dedicated to him as his 18th birthday gift. So happy birthday, Ralphie. So though that this is the review of your favorite buses in the MTA system, and for the rest of the viewers, make sure you give him the biggest birthday shoutouts. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and give your new thoughts and your new rides to these XN60s as the first CNG articulated Xcelsiors.
Mo ti gbà náà mo ti elevate, orí mi kò lè hibernate. Àwọn bad belle want to suffocate, with the gbádùn when they jollificate. Ọlá tó bí yẹ mọ pariwo yé, owó tó bí yẹ mọ pariwo yé, mọ́tò tó bí yẹ mọ pariwo yé, pariwo yé, yẹ mọ pariwo yé. Mo ti gbà náà, mo ti gbà náà, mo ti gbà náà, mo ti gbà náà. I'm the man, I'm the one that got the bigger man. Yeah. Baby, you're a bit to telephone. Yeah. Over popcorn in a bullion van. Yeah. I be bad, yeah, if you're not the fan. Yeah. I see I got your shoes, good to see shoes. Yeah. Want it cold, but I no go wish you. Yeah. Bad job, so I want to fish you. Yeah. But then that bit to boss, make I miss you. Yeah. Busy in the morning, move at DJ. Yeah. Move at freaking what, move at replay. Yeah. I like the way you shake that cape. Yeah, bump, bigger than Bombay. Yeah. Put it on me, I'm a milestone. Yeah. Come apologize, darling, motion. Yeah. I just wanna call you, I hold you. Yeah. Oh, the love will bend it up below you. But it's bad now, but you elevate. Orí mi kò lè hibernate. Àwọn bad belle want to suffocate, with the gbádùn when they jollificate. Ọlá tó bí yẹ mọ pariwo yé, owó tó bí yẹ mọ pariwo yé, mọ́tò tó bí yẹ mọ pariwo yé, pariwo yé, yẹ mọ pariwo yé. Mo ti gbà náà, mo ti gbà náà, mo ti gbà náà, mo ti gbà náà. Mo ti gbà náà, mo ti elevate. Ẹni sùn èmi pẹpẹ sùn, jákèjádò wọn fílẹ̀ máa gbẹdú. Òyìnbó tàbí tapioca, akata ń break dance lórí conga. Nobody tell it drain me ní energy. Me a rap she be Genevieve energy. If you believe me, nigga, I believe it too. If you believe it, I believe it too. Mala waste time, me I should coco. And me a right shit, I want it coco. It's all okay, I should be okay. Ogbe's okay, only keep okay. Oh, the brain love me, shame I okay. Oh, the judge, oh, the one case, shape out that and any money type of go. Mo ti gbà náà, mo ti elevate. Orí mi kò lè hibernate. Àwọn bad belle want to suffocate, with the gbádùn when they jollificate. Ọlá tó bí yẹ mọ pariwo yé, owó tó bí yẹ mọ pariwo yé, mọ́tò tó bí yẹ mọ pariwo yé, pariwo yé, yẹ mọ pariwo yé. Mo ti gbà náà, mo ti gbà náà, mo ti gbà náà, mo ti gbà náà, mo ti gbà náà. What the elevate,
Xcelsior. Whether me in a skirt, pussy fat up in a short shorts. Head race when me walk past. Me feel the eyes, believe the eye. Me love the lights, me do it despite.
You're just a true 66 like Lodi. That is what you're doing with your body. And when you're wine, pretty girl, it drove me. Girl, I wanna take you to a movie. You're just a true 66 like Lodi. That is what you're doing with your body. And when you're wine, pretty girl, it drove me. Girl, I wanna take you to a movie.
The jaw just a bounce like bounce check. Me do the verb with the noun with the subject. Anything you want me happy get you can't object. You fall in love faster than object. My pussy tight feel like a brownie. And a straight as steel with no like a broad bean. We a small well thinner than a thinner sardine. Make man get attentive when me walk in.
You're just a true 66 like Lodi. That is what you're doing with your body. And when you're wine, pretty girl, it drove me. Girl, I wanna take you to a movie. You're just a true 66 like Lodi. That is what you're doing with your body. And when you're wine, pretty girl, it drove me. Girl, I wanna take you to a movie.
When me walk, me a bust out my jeans shred. Throw my pum pum fluffy like sheet spread. Me get everything where the sheep shed. Decent walk when me step in the streets. As me wine, me a grab people attention. But the jaw just a clap like a convention. When me pass man hand long extension. But me love him money more senior to pension.
You're just a true 66 like Lodi. That is what you're doing with your body. And when you're wine, pretty girl, it drove me. Girl, I wanna take you to a movie. You're just a true 66 like Lodi. That is what you're doing with your body. And when you're wine, pretty girl, it drove me. Girl, I wanna take you to a movie.
Whether me in a skirt, pussy fat up in a short shorts. Head race when me walk past. Me feel the eyes, believe the eye. Me love the lights, me do it despite.
You're just a true 66 like Lodi. That is what you're doing with your body. And when you're wine, pretty girl, it drove me. Girl, I wanna take you to a movie. You're just a true 66 like Lodi. That is what you're doing with your body. And when you're wine, pretty girl, it drove me. Girl, I wanna take you to a movie. Girl, I wanna take you to a movie. Girl, I wanna take you to a movie. Girl, I wanna take you to a movie.
You fall in love.
You're just a true 66 like Lodi. That is what you're doing with your body. And when you're wine, pretty girl, it drove me. Girl, I wanna take you to a movie. You're just a true 66 like Lodi. That is what you're doing with your body. And when you're wine, pretty girl, it drove me. Girl, I wanna take you to a movie.